Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, power liftgate, running boards, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, remote keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.